Hello everyone and welcome back to Knotty Threads. In today's video I'm again going to try a brand new design for which I'm using these kind of eye-shaped beads and round beads. So these are the two beads we'll be using and we will be working this with two colors. So the first color is ready here. I'm using 6 strands in maroon and I will be knotting this thread to this bead but here in the center of the curve. Make 1 or 2 knots and then we'll start crocheting. So we'll work single crochets from this point to the midpoint of the other side. So basically that's how the design goes. So I'm going to insert this hook below the knot and pull a loop. Once you have the loop onto the hook, you can start doing single crochet. While you're doing single crochet, you can conceal this tail that is left from the knotting. So I've worked 5 single crochets and that has covered half of one side, and then I'm going to work 5 more to cover the other half. So this is how it should look once you're done crocheting the bead. Now we will add another bead. So again exactly same method. You will start from here, the center of the curve. Do 1 single crochet and then continue working the remaining single crochets. So this way you will keep working and adding beads until you reach the required length. Once you are done with this step, then we are going to change the color and then continue the next step. So here I finished working the first step. You will have to continue until you reach your desired length, and at this stage I am going to cut my first color and attach my second color. So pull the thread that is on the hook. You'll have to turn the work like this and add your second color. And in this step we will also add those small round beads. I'm going to insert my hook in the last single crochet and pull a loop and then start working single crochets in the remaining space. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 single crochets, here I am going to add this bead. Work a single crochet to attach the bead, and then If you want, after every single crochet you can add one small round bead, or you can do a picot. So I'm going to work 3 chains and then a single crochet next to the previous one. So when all these 3 chains come together, it will look like a picot stitch. Or you can also alternate it. You can do 1 picot and then add 1 bead. I'm just doing all picots here. Until the ring is filled up, you'll have to continue working. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll make the 10th picot and 11th single crochet. With that, the ring is filled and this is how it looks. Then you can continue working single crochets to cover the eye-shaped bead. So as soon as you work the single crochet, you can see how it has distanced itself from the previous one here. So you will actually have to pull it together like this, otherwise the gap will not be covered. So you will have to push the single crochet and squeeze in 5, because that's how much we worked on the other side. So this is 4 and 5. So this is how it should look. Now before we proceed to this point, I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the last stitch here, so that these eye beads stay in place. So this single crochet is not a part of the 5 single crochets that we will be working. Do not count this single crochet that we just worked. Leave that and then work 5 single crochets. Now the stitch count might change if you are using slightly bigger or smaller bead. So it's the same thing again. We'll work 5 single crochets and then add this round bead.